Say hi, Collin. Hi, guys. We're gonna be doing egg. Okay, let's switch. We're gonna be doing egg surprise eggs. I have the Hello Kitty ones. My little brother already opening one. Yeah. So we're doing the egg challenge. Well, not really an egg challenge. Opening eggs. I got 2 minion eggs. Okay, so we're gonna open them. Yeah. I'm opening mine. We always eat the chocolate anyway. Mommy, we need your help. Or Poppy, we need your help. Opening the eggs. You have to twist.
You have to twist, huh?
We're making Poppy do it.
Wait, let me see.
Where are you opening?
What do you mean? This one?
Yeah, Collin's that one. Okay, so while Collin's eating, I'm gonna open a chocolate.
Ooh.
How do you open it?
You have to twist.
Here, let me see it.
Squeeze, twist. I'm gonna open up another egg. Whoa.
What?
A sticker! Okay, so my little brother got a sticker. And one that I got was I got playing cards. These are
Hello Kitty playing cards.
Hello Kitty playing cards. Our mom's helping us out. Take the chocolate away. And I also got the same one in blue though. Oh my gosh, I got a duplicate but in blue. I got a duplicate, guys. Here it is. One is in pink. I got another egg. This one's in blue. I already got the pink one. Mommy, take the chocolate away. We need more eggs.
You yell at me.
We really need more eggs here. Is this all we're... Whoa.
You got a mini pack of minion cards too. You want to show them? Let me show them.
Whoa. Open it, open it. All the other videos were right about the chocolate. Whoa. The chocolate's good. Funny. Cards. I get cards.
You get cards. Pick a card, any card. That one?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want all cards.
This your card? Yeah. How did I do that? Don't lose them. You want one more?
Take the chocolate. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, our mom is getting more so that we can show you guys. No. No. Wanna play cards with me, Mommy? No, not right now. We're opening another thing. Collin.
Uh-oh, you're dropping them.
Open yours up, Collin. Oh, Collin, open yours up. Oh. I got one more. What? Oh my goodness. I have one more egg.
There you go. You know exactly what I was doing.
Can you give me a bowl? Okay, so I'm gonna open mine. Mommy, open mine, please. I can't.
Whoa.
So I'm gonna get. Ooh, yay! I got something different. I got
Are they magnets? Let me see back. They look like little paper dollhouse stuff.
Okay, I got little paper dollhouse. Here, they are. Let me show them all. Here, Mommy, open this so that I can show all of the things to them. This is mine and Hannah's. Yeah. Oh, Mommy's buying the bag. She likes doing that open stuff. Let me just tell them that. Can you open it for me? Mommy.
Did you find it?
No. Okay, so this is a house. Tiny guy. I don't know if you guys can see that, but another big house. Look! Mommy, look! Mommy, look!
Very nice.
I win!
You win.
The sky or... Mommy, want to play cards with me, Mommy?
Yeah, sure.
Let's move these stuff. Hello Kitty behind, in front of the fence. Here's the back. Open another one. I'm gonna open another.
That one's empty. But here's the other minion.
Okay, so opening it.
You got a minion.
I got a minion surfing on a banana peel. That's basically what it is. Yeah, open up. Please help me, Mommy.
Yes, guys. Let me go ahead and open these for you.
Me one another.
No.
What? Okay. So that's all. So that's all. The chocolate at the egg. We put that in there. I don't have to show that. You got another Hello Kitty. Mama, you got another Hello Kitty. Stop talking.
And a minion.
Okay, so are we good?
Yep, say bye.
Bye, everybody. Bye, everybody. See you in our next video. See you in